are you doing?
No, I'm just putting some tools away. We'll clean it up a little bit.
You got something came in the mail here. What is all this? Oh, LED lights? You know anything about this?
Oh, yes. This is for the Honda. Check it out.
Oh, for this?
Yes. The interior lights are out. Some of them are...
Dorman makes interior lights?
Yes,
These are LEDs. These are bright, bro.
Yes. They really are. Some of them are blown out, and some of them aren't. I'm just going to change them anyway, just to say
changing them all,
they're going to blow again, and then go back, bring it back in. Just do it now, and you don't have to think about it later.
Okay, let's knock it out. I think we should get started.
All right.
Here you go.
Let's do it. All right. So if you open the door, this light works, right?
It works, and you said you're going to change them anyway.
I'm going to change them anyway.
So which one are you changing now?
Right now, I'm going to start with this one. Look.
The other one?
Doesn't work. The other one doesn't work either. All right?
Beautiful.
So, I'm going to get my little tiny flathead. Tiny little flathead. All right. See how it doesn't light up? Watch. You put the screwdriver over here, and you pop it out, and do the same thing over here, right? And then it slides out just like that. Now, you see the bulb right here? That needs to come out. Just like so.
Beautiful.
See? Now, these wires are just for the test the bulb. You don't really need to test it.
Or sometimes it's made so that you can adapt this into something else or whatever the case is.
Or something like that, yeah. All right? So now, I'm going to go like this.
Okay.
And now it's in. So now we're going to get this again, right? So this one's done, and look what a difference, see? Hey? It's beautiful compared to this. He got nothing. All right, see how yellow this one is? All right? All right, eventually it's going to blow out anyway. Not to mention, with an one LED bulb, right, 2 LED bulbs, and this one's yellow. We're never going to get a date that night, are we? It's a minivan. But still, so here's what we do. It's going to pop out, right? All right, see?
Is it hot?
This bulb. Here, look.
I don't feel nothing. I really don't. I'm holding it. Oh, little baby's hot. Certainly is on.
That you can say that
Wow,
again.
that's bright.
Look, see? It's beautiful. Now.
All right, now you're gonna do all the rest of them. What do you got? You got a couple in the doors.
A couple here, a little there. Look at this. It's out. See?
All
All
right. Change another one.
All right, just like so. All right. All right. Now we're gonna give it a shot. Why don't you look at that? I'm gonna put this lens in. Hey.
Beautiful. Hey, nice and bright. Look at that.
It is beautiful.
Now you're gonna change all the rest of them.
Now we're gonna change all the rest of them and take it from there.
Sounds good to me.
All right.
So now this is done. Let's put this outside, and you got a wreck you're gonna take apart, I think, right?
A Chevy Cruze.
Bet you can't wait to get to that one. Taking over the world.